Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at DOOGEE V40 Pro. This is a new flagship rugged phone from DOOGEE, and I say flagship because this phone comes equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300. That is a 4nm processor, and this phone is the first phone in the world from the rugged phone category because the Dimensity 7300 is a 4nm processor. It has a configuration with 36 GB of RAM, it has 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and 20 GB of virtual RAM. As for the storage, it has 512. The storage of this phone is UFS 3.1 and that is confirmed by DOOGEE. Now let's continue with everything else. This phone will start its life at Android 14 with DOOGEE OS 4.0, which has DOOGEE AI included. It has a quad camera setup on the back. It has a 200 megapixel camera with Morpho. It has 20 megapixels of night vision camera. It has two other cameras with 8 megapixels. 8 megapixels ultra wide and 8 megapixels telephoto. That 8 megapixel of telephoto lens can do 3x optical and 30x of digital zoom. The display of this phone, the main display, because this phone has two displays, but the main display on the front is 6.78 inches Full HD, 120 Hz IPS LCD display. The back display is 1.47 inches. The phone has 3 SIM slots, we will check that after we unbox it. It has a big battery of 8680 mAh, which supports fast charging of 33 watts. The phone has an IP rating of IP68 military standard 810H. The phone can also support an SD card up to 2 TB. This is the slogan: for those who dare to play. V40 on the side, clean on the right side, while on the back we only have the phone model, IMEI number, serial number, etc. Let's continue with the unboxing. I like to unbox my phones slowly, not like an animal, because I've seen a lot of people on different videos that throw their phones, throw their boxes. As you can see, I like to save these phones as part of my collection, and as you can see, I didn't even remove the plastic wrap here on the front of the box. After we open the box, we are presented with the phone itself. We have screen protector accessories. We have the charger, 33 watt fast charging brick with a Type-C input. We have a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. And after we lift this plastic part, we are presented with the usual paperwork, SAR value specification, user manual, this is the warranty card, and this is a film screen protector. This is a rugged phone. A film screen protector is recommended only to save it from the scratches because the phone is already tough, and that's why I believe they included a film screen protector, only to save it from scratches. Now let's continue with the phone. This is the phone. We have the quad camera setup, we have the small display. Here on the right side we have the volume buttons. The power button, which I forgot to mention in the specifications before, also serves as a fingerprint sensor. Here on the left we have TF SIM card slot. We have a function button. Let's check the SIM tray. Yeah, so we have a shared slot for SD card and SIM slot and 2 SIM slots here on the back. If we want, we can use 3 SIMs at the same time, 3 numbers, or 2 numbers, 2 SIMs and an SD card. Interesting. Here on the bottom we have the Type-C port, speakers, The top is clean, only has a microphone. Now let me power on the phone and go to the menu. Before turning it on, let's peel off the sticker here. Now we turn on the phone. It's also worth mentioning, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a pre-installed film screen protector, so the one that you have on the box serves as a backup. Hi there. I will skip everything and go straight to the menu. As you can see, we are on the menu now. Let's browse through the phone a little bit, take a look around. These are the toggles. We can add more toggles if we want to. Let's see. Network and internet. We have VPN, private DNS, hotspots, SIMs, connected devices. We have Bluetooth, NFC, Android Auto, Quick Share, Chromebook, printing, notifications, battery, the customization here. Check this out, guys. The battery style, we can set it to vertical or horizontal. Storage 512, 24 gigabytes are used by the system. Sound and vibration. We will test the speaker in a second after we are done on settings. Display, this is the maximum brightness of the display, minimum brightness. It's still visible. I'm just gonna leave it at maximum. Color mode and temperature, we only have normal and vivid. This is vivid, this is normal. Network speed, we have the option to show the network speed here at the top. There it is after the clock. Screen refresh rate. At screen refresh rate, we have the option to go standard 60 Hz, high 90 Hz, and highest 120 Hz. Lift to wake, I'm gonna switch that on. Switch screen display area. Yeah. The customization of this phone, I'm liking it so far. Control center. Yeah. Lock screen and style. Charging animation. Wallpaper. Easy key. Easy key, it's the function button here at the left of the phone. We can customize it. We can go single click, open flashlight. Double click, we can do screenshot. Long press, start recording. We can always choose to open an application if we want to. Let's go. We have accessibility, special function, flip to silent, smart answer, anti-fake touch. Use the distance sensor to prevent misoperation of the phone in the pocket due to extrusion or fabric sliding. Yeah. Fingerprint function, widget box, wake screen when another. Yeah. A lot of customization on this phone. App clone, sidebar application, Let's turn it on. Children's space, anti-theft alarm, app clock, anti-peeping. We can gray out, yeah. RAM expansion, already set straight out of the box, 20 gigabytes. We can turn it off if we want or turn it back on, 20 gigabytes. We have gloves mode. This is a rugged phone. It's meant to be used in a heavy duty situation with construction workers or similar situations, so it will also work when you have gloves on, working gloves on. Security and privacy, safety and emergency, passwords and accounts, digital well-being, Dura speed, mini screen, screen timeout 2 minutes, brightness level from 1 to 8, easy key, flip, turn the phone from the front to the back to light up the secondary screen, yeah, double click to wake up the, yeah. We can choose the notification settings because we might have the phone set up in this position and we want notifications here. Personal signature, I'm gonna go tag through Tony, yeah. Save. Let's choose another color, save. Back camera photo size, front camera photo size, watch face selection, status interface, camera interface, smart touch, gesture mode, menu mode, single click, double click, long press, yeah. About phone, here on about phone we can also read some more specifications if we want to. Device name V40 Pro, version Android 14, it has a strong vibration. This phone has a very strong vibration. Now that we are done on settings, let's open the camera app, take a look here. We have a wide angle camera. As you can see, we can zoom up to 50x. I said 30x because that was included in the device spec sheet, but as you can see, we have 50x. We can zoom up to 50 times using a rugged phone. Pretty impressive. Video, let's see, even on video it's 50x. That's crazy. Let's check the video quality. We can record up to 4K. Let's check the selfie camera. On the selfie camera we can record up to full HD. We have night vision. We will also be using the sensor here. We have super night, 200 megapixels. You can only do 1x, 2x, 3, 4x on 200 megapixels. We have macro. And more. Here on more, we have some more settings for the camera. We have portrait, pro video, pro mode, dual video view, film, panorama, slow motion and time lapse. Let's check dual video view. Yeah, we can record with both cameras at the same time. Intelligent scanning, film. So we can use the camera and see on the secondary display. So basically we can take a selfie using the small secondary display on this phone. Now that we are done on settings, let's check the viewing angles, the display of the phone and the speakers. First, we will start with the viewing angles and the display of the phone. The speaker is very loud, but the viewing angles are nice, even though this is an IPS LCD display. It can play HDR videos up to 4K. The phone has only one speaker here at the bottom. Let's check outdoor tools. We have a height meter, compass, gradienter, flashlight, hanging pane, magnifier, plumb bob. Let's open flashlight. Let's open magnifier. Yeah, pretty nice. Noise test, pedo, noise test, alarm bell, plumb bob, etc. It has a children's space. It has easy launcher, cleaning assistant. Nothing to clean actually, but touch to clean, confirm, allow. SIM toolkit, calculator, FM radio, widget box. Basically, you can turn the upper part of the display, as seen here, as a dynamic island. Yeah. Now, this is one of the videos I'm making about this phone, guys. I will take this phone outside, make another video and post it. As for now, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.